Welcome, in front of me is a UMIDIGI X, and today I'll show you how to wipe cache partition on this phone. And to get started, let's hold the power key. From here, select power off and wait for the device to shut off. And once that has happened, you want to hold power key and volume up, both of the keys at the same time. And this will take us to the boot menu right over here. So you want to select the first option, which is recovery mode, using only volume up, as you can see. And then confirm it with volume down. Next thing you will see is the Android with no command. So hold power key, press volume up, and we should be then in the recovery mode. And then here, using only volume keys to navigate, as you can see, volume down will go down and up goes up. You want to select, obviously, wipe cache partition, and from there, confirm with power key. Again, select yes, power key, and there we go. Cache wipe complete. And then reboot system now is selected by default, so all you need to do is press power key to go back to Android. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.